अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब व्यूवर्स? आज हम सीखेंगे कि बच्चों को फोनिक्स किस तरह सिखाए जाएं। सो द टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन इज़ a list of phonic sounds that we have to teach our children initially. So let's start our today's video. There are 44 phonemes in English. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound. Tin, for instance, consists of three phonemes: CH, I, and N. If we say that sounds are the great substitute for phoneme, it's not wrong. First of all, let's discuss letter sounds of consonants. Some points to remember are: kids learn sounds first. Introduce one letter at a time. Teach them like this. Firstly say, for example, B, B, bus. In the next step, just pronounce the sound B instead of B. Don't emphasize the name, rather the sound. Name doesn't unlock the words, while sounds unlock the words, like sound B unlocks bus, bag, bat, big, etc. Although letters can make various sounds, only introduce the following sounds for now: B as in ball, K as in cap, D as in drum, F as in fridge, G as in gun, H as in hen, J as in jug, K as in kite, L as in lips, M as in mouse, N as in nut, P as in parrot. K as in queen, R as in rat, S as in snake, T as in tree, V as in van, V as in wig, Y as in yo-yo, Y as in yoke, Z as in zip. Now let's learn short vowels. A as in apple. For example, bat, sat. I as in elephant. For example, get, pen. I as in igloo. For example, sit, dig. O as in octopus. For example, log, fog. As in up. For example, gun, sun. Now let's learn long vowels. E as in tree, E as in seal, A as in rain, AYA as in bay, OAO as in boat, OWO as in glow, IGHI as in light, YE as in funny, I as in my. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and click on all option. If you like the video, then hit the like button and share my video. See you in the next one. Hopefully you have learned something about how to teach our children the phonic sounds. Thanks for watching.